Let me tell you this. Bullies ain't shit. Bullies ain't shit. Don't ever fucking bow down to a bully. A bully is not worth a fucking time waste of your energy and an energy waste of your time. Never, ever feel bad about yourself if you've been bullied. They've done that. No person, and I mean no person, no matter how real it may seem to anyone, really has the ability to affect a person's mind that they can then that you can control their mind to make choices. No. If I'm in a bad mood because of something that someone said, if I'm in a good mood because of something that someone said, if I'm motivated by what I see others do, sickened, angered, excited, whatever, that's all to do with me and my psyche, my own psyche, fucking psychological mind. Remember, you need to be aware of your mind, and that's it. Controlling your mind, and that's it. Not controlling other people. And if they can't control their mind, and they choose to try to attack you, it's their own choice. Scum of the earth. Someone who attacks is a fucking fool, a weakling, and a coward. Someone who's trying to control everything has no control over themselves, and they're living in fear all the time. That's why they compete and compare themselves with others and live in a materialistic, flashy, fancy way with a mask on and all this stuff. They want to be in with the crowd, up with the trends, up with whatever it is, where the power is. It doesn't exist. We are all fucking equal human beings. We are all equally fucking human on the planet. Okay? Peace is what you want. Comes through self-understanding. Don't assess yourself in comparison with others. Understand the self, and you won't even need to seek patience and confidence in yourself and all this. Know yourself. Get more knowledge. Get more abilities. Fair enough. And we can learn from others too. But all we have is this one mind and one body. If they can't control their minds, it's their own fault. And if they can't control their mouth, so what? It's just coming from their fucking own psyche, which may be twisted. A vision of you, so what? Who is anyone to judge you? You are who you are. You are who you are. Better yourself. Don't fall to their level. Bullies ain't shit, cowards. And I'm not angry, by the way. I'm just saying how it is. That's how it is. And they are not you.